Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious vanilla donuts. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need all-purpose flour, granulated sugar, baking powder, and a pinch of salt for the dry components. For the wet ingredients, prepare 1 large egg, some milk, melted butter, and pure vanilla extract. Having everything measured and ready makes the baking process smooth and enjoyable. This recipe yields about 12 delightful donuts. Now, let's create our donut batter. Begin by whisking your dry ingredients together in a spacious bowl. In a separate, smaller bowl, combine all the wet ingredients, ensuring they are fully incorporated. Then, carefully pour the wet mixture into the dry, stirring gently until just combined. It's crucial not to overmix, as this can lead to tough donuts. A few lumps are perfectly fine for a tender crumb. With your batter ready, it's time to shape and bake these treats. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and generously grease your donut pan. You can use a piping bag or a spoon to fill each cavity about 2/3 full. Avoid overfilling. Bake them for roughly 10 to 12 minutes, or until they are lightly golden and a toothpick inserted comes out clean. Let them cool slightly before glazing. Finally, let's make that irresistible vanilla glaze. In a bowl, whisk together 1½ cups of powdered sugar, 2 tablespoons of milk, and 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Continue whisking until the glaze is perfectly smooth and free of any lumps. Once your donuts have cooled, dip each one into the glaze, letting any extra drip back into the bowl. You can add sprinkles for a festive touch.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.